In a small, peaceful village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was known for her beauty, her kind heart, and her love for music. Every evening, she would sit by the village fountain, singing songs that made the birds stop to listen and the flowers bloom a little brighter. In the same village lived a man named Aaron. Aaron was not like the other villagers. He was born blind. He had never seen the colors of the sky or the sparkle of stars, but Aaron's heart was full of light. He could hear the laughter of children, the whispers of the wind, and the rustling of leaves. He spent his days weaving baskets and helping the elderly in the village. People admired him for his strength and cheerful spirit. One evening, as Lily was singing by the fountain, Aaron stopped nearby to rest. Her voice was like magic, soft and full of emotion. For Aaron, who couldn't see the world, Lily's voice painted pictures in his mind. It was as if he could see a beautiful sunrise or a field of flowers just by listening to her. "Who is singing?" Aaron asked, smiling as he followed the sound. Lily noticed him and replied, "It's me, Lily. Do you like the song?" "It's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard," Aaron said honestly. From that day, Aaron came to the fountain every evening to listen to Lily sing. They talked for hours about their dreams, fears, and little joys. Aaron told Lily about the world he imagined in his mind, how he pictured the sky as a warm blanket and the moon as a gentle lamp. Lily listened with fascination, realizing how much Aaron could feel and understand without ever seeing. As time went on, their bond grew stronger. Lily admired Aaron's strength and positivity, while Aaron found joy in Lily's kindness and warmth. They became each other's best friends. One day, Lily asked Aaron, "Do you ever wish you could see?" Aaron thought for a moment and said, "Sometimes I do, but other times I feel lucky. I don't judge people by how they look. I see them with my heart. And when I listen to you, I feel like I see the most beautiful person in the world." Lily was touched by his words. No one had ever spoken to her like that before. For the first time, she realized that Aaron saw her in a way no one else could. It wasn't about her appearance, it was about her soul. As the seasons changed, the villagers began to notice the connection between Lily and Aaron. Some were happy for them, but others whispered behind their backs. "Why would someone like Lily love a blind man?" they asked. "She deserves someone who can see her beauty." Lily heard these words, but she didn't care. To her, Aaron was perfect. He made her laugh, listened to her dreams, and cared for her in ways no one else ever had. One evening, Aaron heard some of the villagers talking. "Lily will leave him one day," they said. "She's too beautiful for him." The words hurt Aaron deeply. That night, as he sat by the fountain with Lily, he said, "Lily, you deserve someone better than me, someone who can see the world with you." Lily took his hand and said, "Aaron, you see me better than anyone ever has. You see my heart, my dreams, and my soul. That's all I need." Aaron smiled, but deep down, he still doubted himself. A few weeks later, a traveling doctor came to the village. He was famous for curing blindness with a new kind of surgery. When Aaron heard about it, he felt a spark of hope. What if I could see? Aaron thought. Then I could be the man Lily deserves. Lily supported him, even though she loved him just as he was. The surgery was risky, but Aaron decided to try. The whole village gathered to pray for him. After the surgery, Aaron's eyes were covered with bandages. The doctor told him it would take a few days before they could remove them. During this time, Aaron grew nervous. What if he didn't like what he saw? What if Lily didn't look the way he imagined? Finally, the day came to remove the bandages. Lily was by his side, holding his hand. As the doctor unwrapped his eyes, Aaron blinked slowly. For the first time in his life, he could see light, shapes, and colors. When he looked at Lily, his heart skipped a beat. She was even more beautiful than he had imagined. But what moved him the most was the kindness in her eyes and the warmth of her smile. Tears filled Aaron's eyes. "You are more beautiful than I ever dreamed," he said. Lily smiled and whispered, "And you, Aaron, are the light of my life." From that day on, Aaron and Lily's love grew even stronger. They proved to everyone that love is not about what you see with your eyes. It's about what you feel with your heart. And so, in their little village surrounded by green hills, Aaron and Lily lived happily, showing the world that love truly is blind. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.